The African savanna is often imagined as a place of open skies and endless grasslands. But beneath that golden calm, another world is always waiting. A world where silence hides movement, where the tall grass whispers with unseen life. And sometimes, in the space between two heartbeats, a struggle unfolds that few ever witness. On a warm afternoon in the African wilderness, a mother giraffe moves slowly across the plains. Her towering form rises nearly 6 meters above the earth, the tallest land animal ever to walk the planet. Beside her, a newborn calf wobbles through the grass. Just hours old, the calf is still learning how to stand. Every step is uncertain, every movement fragile. Yet, in this landscape, vulnerability does not go unnoticed. Hidden beneath the tall grass lies one of Africa's most powerful ambush predators, the African rock python. Unlike fast predators that chase their prey, pythons rely on patience. They can remain perfectly still for hours, sometimes days, waiting for the right moment. Their bodies are masterpieces of biological engineering. A python's muscles are incredibly dense, allowing it to coil with enormous force, and its jaws can stretch wide enough to swallow animals far larger than its head. But attacking a giraffe, even a calf, is rare. The sheer size and strength of a giraffe make it one of the most dangerous herbivores on the savanna. A single kick from an adult giraffe can shatter bone. Lions themselves approach with caution, yet the python waits. Because in nature, survival often favors patience over power. The mother giraffe lowers her head to inspect the grass. For a moment the world seems calm. Then the ground erupts. From beneath the vegetation, a massive coil of muscle explodes upward. The python strikes. In a flash of movement, its body wraps around the giraffe's leg, not to bite, but to constrict. Constriction is one of the most efficient hunting strategies in the animal kingdom. Contrary to popular belief, the snake does not crush its prey. Instead, each time the victim exhales, the python tightens. Blood circulation slows. Oxygen drops. Within minutes, even large animals can collapse. But this time, the python has made a dangerous choice. Because the mother giraffe is not alone. The calf panics, stumbling in confusion. Its cries echo across the savanna, high-pitched and desperate. But the real response comes from the mother. A giraffe's greatest weapon is not its height. It's its legs. Each kick from a giraffe can generate forces strong enough to break a lion's skull. Now imagine that power directed at a snake. The mother giraffe lashes out. Her hooves strike the ground like thunder. The python tightens its coils, trying to maintain its grip. But every second increases the danger. The giraffe's muscles are enormous, designed to pump blood all the way up its towering neck. This same power now fights against the snake's constriction. Dust explodes into the air as the struggle intensifies. This raises a larger question scientists still debate. Why would a python attempt to attack such a large animal in the first place? Pythons typically target smaller mammals, antelope, warthogs, and birds. But sometimes, opportunity overrides caution. Snakes rely heavily on heat-sensitive organs along their jaws. These allow them to detect the body warmth of nearby animals, even in darkness. To a hungry python hidden in tall grass, the small heat signature of a newborn giraffe may have looked like an easy meal. But the presence of the mother changed everything. The giraffe rears back and delivers another powerful kick. The impact sends vibrations through the ground. For the python, the risk is growing. Unlike mammals, snakes cannot easily recover from severe internal injuries. A broken rib or crushed spine could mean death. And here lies one of nature's strangest paradoxes. Predators must hunt to survive. But every hunt also risks their own life. Scientists studying predator behavior often describe this balance as the economics of survival. Every decision carries a cost. And sometimes, the cost becomes too high. The python begins to loosen its coils. Slowly, cautiously, the snake releases its grip. Then, with surprising speed for such a massive creature, it retreats back into the grass. The entire battle lasts less than 2 minutes. But for the calf, those moments may shape the rest of its life. Young giraffes must grow quickly. Within weeks, the calf will already be running across the plains. Within months, it will learn the ancient rhythms of migration, water, and survival. But the memory of danger is written into every instinct. And the savanna never truly sleeps. Because beneath the surface of these grasslands lies an entire hidden world of predators, strategies, and evolutionary arms races. The python's flexible jaws. The giraffe's crushing kick. Each adaptation is the result of millions of years of survival experiments conducted by nature itself. Yet even now, scientists still don't fully understand how often these rare encounters occur. Much of the savanna remains unwatched, unrecorded, and filled with stories that unfold far from human eyes. What we've discovered about life on Earth only deepens the mystery. Because every ecosystem, from deep oceans to open plains, hides interactions we have barely begun to understand. And somewhere out there, in the quiet grasslands under an endless sky, another silent battle is all read. Why beginning?